Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I've got another giveaway for you. I was going through my stash of kits that I have for making quilts, and this was purchased back in 1999 and it's still in the package. I have 4 of the quilt blocks for this big quilt here. I don't have all of them, but you can always use these in another project. So if you're a quilter, you are probably going to be interested in this. So this one is the heart. This other one is another kind of heart. And then this one is another kind of heart. And then another kind of heart. It's all about hearts. So you could even make multiple ones. Get other scrap fabrics that look similar to this and go ahead and finish piecing all of this together. Now, if you're interested in this giveaway, check below your YouTube screen for the details in how to enter the giveaway. Perhaps you're even interested in learning how to make a quilt. You're just getting started. I've got lots of video tutorials on quilting, so make sure you check below your YouTube screen for the video links to a variety of quilt projects. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram to keep up with all the latest projects that I'm working on, and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!